is sweet and is red in color. Let's say again, shall we? Sweet red apple. Yummy! Me! Thank you! Orange egg! Let's go with that! Open! 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 Surprise! This looks like an apple too! It sure is! But this looks green. Does this also taste sweet? No, it tastes sour and is green in color. Let's say again, shall we? Sour green apple. It's me! Thank you! Violet egg! Let's open it next, shall we? Open! 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 Surprise! It's a pail! The pail is to collect the apples. So, we pluck the apple from the tree and put it into the pail? That's right. Let's say it again, shall we? Pail! It's me! Thank you! Brown egg! Looks like a chocolate Easter egg. Open! 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 Surprise! What's that, Mr. Hollow? It's called the step stool. What do we do with it, Mr. Hollow? The step stool helps us to plug the apples, which are a little beyond our reach. So we get on top of them and plug the apples? That's right. Let's say it again, shall we? A step stool!